Hello everyone. I hope everybody is fine and everybody is doing good. So today I just want to discuss one small thing. Like you also know in social media, one thing is going on like regarding the GATE 2026 exam. Like everybody is saying a scam is happening, scam. I also believe is something is happening in exam hall because there is one guy is there. Sorry, there is one exam center is there. I can't disclose the name. On that exam center in one hall there only three students are writing the exam, so you can also observe like definitely something is, if one hall three students are there, so maybe something is happened. So my request is ki if you are getting good marks, if you have good rank, and you also know how you are achieved, and you know you did with your honest work and everything, so you don't need to worry. You just focus on your next thing. Like you need to plan for like college, and you need to work on your skill and everything. And second thing is those students who are like planning for next year, so you just avoid these kind of things. These kind of things is just totally your disturbance, so don't need to focus on things. And one more thing is ki you don't like ki lose hope, because I read it somewhere. You can hope is the best key to achieve something. If you have hope, then we can work for that, and if you don't have any hope, so how can we work for that? So just believe in yourself and work hard, and try to put your best. Or maybe I know it's tough, but you know the reality, and you know this one also, because it's your dream, so you have to work. No one will work for you. So just remember this one. And sometimes in our life we can't get everything in one time. Okay, sometimes happen ki you put your 100%, but you are not getting the result based on the expectation. So it's not mean ki you can't do anything in your life. There are a lot of things there. Okay, in your hand only two things is do work with honesty and put your best. That's it. Remaining thing maybe it's take time, and definitely you will get. And you can say ki plan properly, guys. Okay, plan properly. Don't you can say ki just take the decision ki I will prepare for next, take the drop, and I will perform next year well. There is one student is there in our group only, I cannot mention her name. You can say ki she got the some marks in previous year. Okay, and this year also she took the whole 1 year drop, and after the result she got increased only 4 to 3 marks. You just think like that for 4 to 3 marks you just took 1 year. How you work? And she said ki in exam hall I'm not able to handle the pressure. So I'm thinking, yeah, the same pressure you have in previous year also and this year, so how you improve it, man? Where you work? So you just plan properly. Okay, if you know that you have a pressure, so you have to work on that. Okay, syllabus is enough. Okay, and strategy will give you the rank, not like working, study. You have to be strong like mentally also. You have to handle the pressure and everything, so then you will get the result. Study everybody is doing, and everybody is studying. Why everybody is not able to, you can say, achieve it? So just remember, and don't lie by yourself. Put your best and try to utilize time as soon as possible. Okay, and if some people are like they don't have any option, okay, you just think in this perspective. There are a lot of options. There is some exam is there, triple IT PG, a lot of exam is there, and some IIT MS interview is also there. So you just prepare your things, and if you are facing anything, just let me know. I am here to help you guys. And if you are, don't feel shy to ask anything. Okay, because someone experience maybe help you a lot. I know, because on my time no one is there for me, so that I know very well how what are the problem you guys are facing. So just put your best of luck, and thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.